வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. கடந்த வீடியோவில் கண்டினியூஷன் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் தென் குவாண்டம் ஸ்டாட்டிக்ஸில் அப் டு தென் கிப்ஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் வரையும் நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியிருந்தோம். ஸோ அதோட கண்டினியூஷன் தான் இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ தென் கிப்ஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் ரிமைனிங். ஸோ இஃப் இட் இஸ் ப்ராசஸ் இஸ் ஐசோதர்மல் ஆர் ஐசோபாரிக், there are two steps we have to see in this pages. So what is meant by a Gibbs function? How to, if it is a reversible isothermal isobaric process, means then if any PdV work is equal to be decrease in Gibbs function. So then Gibbs function is non-PdV work or non-internal work. So those points are most important. We have to given point by point to understand the concept, and we have to keep it in mind easily. So then coming to the point, then four thermodynamic potential, then what are all the four thermodynamic potential, then internal energy, then Helmholtz function, then enthalpy, then Gibbs functions. So those four equations are most important asking in the previous year question papers. So all the question papers and study materials are available in our physics forever 31 blogspot.com. Those links are given in the description box. Those who want, please get the link in the description. So what is meant by a Gibbs paradox? So if the two systems are same, and for convenience we have to take like this, so then we have to consider after the 3n particle like as a volume 2v. So then similar way those point we have to follow. So then Gibbs paradox is the in gas molecules are completely identical and indissoluble. So then Gibbs paradox is resolved by the concept of quantum mechanics. Those things are most important. So then Gibbs paradox in statistical mechanics can be resolved if the Maxwell-Boltzmann constant is divided by n factorial. So what is meant by ensembles? So in our syllabus only microcanonical ensembles are given, but we have to study two more ensembles. One is canonical ensembles and grand canonical ensembles. So there are various types of ensembles. Then we have to concentrate only three types of ensembles. Then microcanonical ensembles, then canonical ensembles, then grand canonical ensembles. So in this, what is meant by microcanonical ensembles? There should be energy, volume and number of particles are identical. So this is the most important. The individual system are separated by rigidity, impermeable and well insulated wall. Then canonical ensembles means same temperature, volume and number of particles are identical. In these cases the individual system are separated by rigidity, impermeable but conducting wall. Then before the microcanonical ensemble, then insulated wall. So then grand canonical, then same temperature, volume, in these cases chemical potential or properties. So in these cases rigidity, permeable and conducting wall are dithermic walls. So these are all the most important point to keep it in your mind. So we have to little confusion while in the examinations. So I have to given in a tabulation for easily to understand. So microcanonical ensembles, canonical and grand canonicals. So then uses of ensembles. So then equations of states. So then thermodynamic function of ideal gas, then equipartition of energy, these are all the most important. Then degree of freedom, if the degree of freedom for average energy, those things are most important. They are asking repeatedly, then of kT or 3 by 2 kT. If you are confused in these cases, so you have to concentrate on more in these cases. So definitely those type of questions should be asked in previous year question paper or also upcoming exams also. So these are all the most important. Then translation, then rotational, then vibrational energies and linear polyatomic molecules. Then non-linear polyatomic molecules equations are most important. So then photon gas. So then total emission power, then absorptive power, then black body radiation, then quantum approaches, then Planck's radiations law, then Fermi-Dirac statics. So those things are most important. We have to given point by point. So then free electron in metal, then electron gas. So then Fermi level and Fermi energy. So then Fermi energy, then occupation induction energy distribution depends upon the energy, either greater or lesser than, depends upon the Fermi energy. We have to define the Fermi energy distribution functions. So this is the graph representation or expression for Fermi energy law with respect to the energy distribution. These are all the three cases with respect to the energy and Fermi energy. So the electron gas in metal. So we have to move fastly because the video goes too much of time, because peoples are only short videos to watch up to till the starting from end video. So we move on to fast. So the degeneracy factor of electron, so no problem. So all the materials everyone to collect in our blocker, the description will be given in the link. So then 0 point energy is most important, then 0 point pressure, these are the most important cases. Then Pauli paramagnetisms, so this is the most important. Then each electron carries a magnetic dipole. Then Bohr magnetron, what is the value? Then 0.17 is most important. Then 10 power minus 20 bar, that's all the most important units. So then Lewis theorem is also most important. There should be then two cases. In these cases, then principle of conservation of density in phase to phase is almost zero. Then other one is the principle of conservation of extension in phase to phase. These are all the most important cases. If you see in the previous question paper, they are asking in repeatedly. Then statistical equilibrium, then law of equilibrium of energy, then same one average energy. Then average energy is directly proportional to the absolute temperatures. So then property of liquid helium, so definitely one question will be asked in every time. So these are all the most important points. So some peculiar property of helium 2. So then phase transition, there are two kinds, first kind transition and second phase transition. So these are all the similar graphs. So one time they should be asked in UGC net exam also. Then which one is the first order phase transition is discontinuity, then second order phase transitions do no discontinuity. So some of the examples related to the first order and second order transition, then isothermal constability, then volume coefficient of expansion alpha, this is all the similar equation. Then macroscopic system and microscopic system, then degree of freedoms, then phase to phase. So if you go through yourself, if you ask any doubts, please ask your question in the comment section or also followed by the WhatsApp. Then macrostate and microstate. So then Stirling formula is also most important. Then most probable distribution, then harmonic emissions. This is the most important equations. So then up to that we have to stop and also finish the unit 4 statistical mechanics. The next video we have to discuss about the PDF study material. Then after that we move on to the next unit, EMT unit 5. So thank you friends, please like our video and also share this video to your friends and also comment your valuable section. Thank you friends, meet in the next video. Thank you one and all, thank you.